Corpus is a collection of texts, either written or spoken, that is usually stored in a computer database. A corpus can be small, for example, containing only 10,000 words, or very large, for example, containing millions of words. Written texts in corpora might be drawn from books, newspapers, or magazines that have been scanned. The text can also be materials downloaded from websites. People compile corpora for different purposes. The size of corpora can be very different too. For example, a corpus of business meetings can be used to help writers design materials for teaching business English, and a corpus that contains transcripts of lectures or TED Talks can be used to write books for academic purposes. Let's look at another example. The Cambridge English Corpus is a large database of real English taken from a range of sources, such as books, newspapers, advertising, letters and emails, websites, conversations and speeches, radio, and television. By studying this corpus, you can get a representative picture of how English is really used and which words naturally and frequently go together. But how do you study or investigate a corpus? You need a computer program. With a computer program, the text can be processed and rearranged to provide information on frequency, phraseology, and collocation. Very often, this offers new perspectives and can increase your understanding of the language. Corpora provide precious and valuable information for language learning. In the next video, we are going to introduce the types of computer programs that are used to process a corpus.